Hey! Today, we have some news that will leave you questioning the future of digital assets. In a recent speech at the prestigious Mansion House in London, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey launched a scathing attack on the entire cryptocurrency market. Let's dive into the juicy details of Bailey's controversial statements. Bailey didn't mince his words when he referred to Bitcoin and its crypto companions as extremely speculative assets. Bailey aimed for stablecoins, those digital currencies pegged to physical assets. He criticized their reliability and claimed they failed to meet the standards of safe money. But here's the million-dollar question: are stablecoins really as safe as they claim to be? Is the Bank of England's governor right in his assessment of cryptocurrencies? While Bailey's words may have rattled the crypto community, it's important to remember that the landscape of digital assets is constantly evolving. Traditional finance firms are now seeking entry into the crypto space, hinting at a potential recovery and a brighter future for cryptocurrencies. So, what can we take away from this? First, the Bank of England's critique brings into focus the ongoing battle between traditional finance and the crypto industry. It's a clash of titans. Second, while Bailey's words may sound ominous, remember that cryptocurrency has proven to be resilient time and time again. The saga continues, and the fate of Bitcoin and its crypto companions hangs in the balance. Don't forget to smash that like button and follow for more updates. WikiFX, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.